Friends, I welcome you to this video tutorial on research statistics using SPSS. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can calculate the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion for multiple variables. For example, there is an interval data, there is a ratio data teaching competency, then there is a nominal data gender. So what will be the mean, median of and the standard deviation of male students on teaching competency? What will be the mean, median, then standard deviation of teaching competency of male students, and similarly with female students. So when there are multiple variables, how you will calculate the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion? To calculate that, you have to first open your SPSS. So my SPSS is already there with all the required data, variable view, data view. I'll go to data view. Then to calculate measures of central tendency and dispersion, I will click on analyze, then I will click on compare means, then means. Let me repeat, I will go to analyze, then compare means, then means. So this is, since I have calculated something before, it is appearing in that column. Otherwise, this is how it will be looking like when you click on analyze, compare means and means. This is how the window will appear. So in the dependent list, you will take the ratio data. In the case of SPSS, it is scale data. I will take the final score of TC. Then independent list, I will take the gender of the students. If you want to add the other categorical variables, locality, institution, everything, you can add one by one. Okay, this can be done, but for the time being I am removing that. I will be calculating only the central tendency for male and female with respect to their teaching competency. Then you can click on options, then what measures of central tendency you require. By default something is there, since I have calculated before, it is appearing there. So you will select the statistics that you want from this box. Let me take the mean first, mean, then maximum you can take, range you can take, variance, everything you can take, whatever it is required you can take, median, minimum let me take. So number of cases, if you want that, you can. So whatever statistics you require, that can be selected, and it can be transferred to this column. Now you don't have to do anything here. Let me now click on continue. You have to click on continue. Then bootstrap, you don't have to do anything. Then you can click on OK. So this is the result. See, for you will get a first column, table like case processing summary. The number of cases is 100, nothing is missing, the percentage is 100. Now for female, the mean is 216, maximum, their maximum teaching competency score is 274, range is 79, median is 216, and minimum is 195. Similarly for males, you can see the value, and the total also you can see. So friends, this is how the measures of central tendency for and measures of dispersion for multiple variables are calculated. Thank you for watching this video.